Okay, I think we're recording now. But I'm Taylor with Real Estate Tay. I've got Cola Galvin here with me, who is a renovation loan queen. So thanks for being here today.
Thank you, Taylor. This is such fun.
Yes, it's going to be a good time. So we're going to do a mini series on 3 different topics of renovation loans, so that way we can cover the vast majority of all the information that goes into it. So we'll make this video 1, and we'll start off by asking, what the heck is a renovation loan? We'll start there with the basics.
Well, a renovation loan is a loan that allows a homeowner or a buyer to either refinance or purchase their home and include the cost of renovations that they want to do. It's not always about renovations. Sometimes it's about needing extra square footage, or for someone who's buying a home and the HVAC has been stolen. It's about doing things that help bring that property so that it meets minimum property standards. But it's an all-in-one loan, and they're awesome.
Yeah, that helps, especially for someone who might not have the finances to add that in. So it's a really great option.
Well, if you're thinking about putting a new kitchen in, going to Home Depot or IKEA or and charging all those cabinets, it's pretty expensive. The interest rates on those are probably in the 20s. Getting an equity line, the terms aren't as great. Refinancing it and adding it into your loan, if it's spread over 15 or 30 years, makes the payment manageable.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. So I know, or I've heard through the grapevine that there are different kinds of renovation loans. So what kind of options are out there for people?
The original renovation loan is an FHA 203K.
Okay.
And it's a regular FHA loan that allows you to include the cost, again, of the purchase or, the payoff of your current home and add on to it the renovations. There's also a conventional version. Fannie Mae jumped on the bus, and so did Freddie Mac. And again, that one it follows pretty much similar guidelines as a conventional loan.
Okay.
So you've got first, a home buyer that's going to live in the property, 5% down, 3% if they are a first-time home buyer, and there's no income limitations. So that's really cool. If you're familiar with a home ready, there's a limit to the income that they can make, but not if they go with a home style. You can also do it for second homes and investors. So that's really
investors
nice.
Can do this.
Yes, investors can do it. Investors in second homes are limited to a single family option. And but it's really cool. You can do all of that. There's also a VA renovation loan. Now, to clear that up, VA doesn't really do a renovation loan. They don't have them. But there are private investors out there who have kind of stuck their necks out on the line and said, hey, we're going to do these so that, VA veterans can purchase homes that they would not otherwise be able to purchase. And we're going to hold them on our line, get the repairs done, and then we can get guarantee from VA. Now, currently, those loans are suspended by directive from the Veterans Administration because they won't allow renovation loan appraisals to be done.
Is that just because of the current pandemic?
It's because of COVID, yes.
Okay, gotcha. So that will hopefully open back up maybe in the next few months?
Let's hope so.
Yeah.
Let's see where these cooties go. We'll see.
If it gets worse or better.
So that on a conventional loan, there's a limit to the loan amount of $484,350.
Right.
We can actually go over that up to $1 million. We have a jumbo renovation loan, and that's a really cool loan too.
Okay.
They all mirror each other. Yeah, they all mirror each other with, certain limitations. So on an FHA 203K, if the home was built prior to 1978, they have to have a lead-based paint painter if they're doing anything to disturb any painted surfaces. On the conventional loan, you can do luxury. You can put an in-ground pool, a tennis court, anything like that. So it's, there are nuances that are a little bit different about them. But when you know the program, you get a buyer, you get them pre-qualified, then they pick out the house and go, okay, you need to go with this one, or you need to go with that one. It's,
okay. So you have to kind of be a little bit flexible with which particular type, depending on the home and the purchaser mixed together.
And what type of repairs you're doing.
Right. Okay. That makes a lot of sense. So if I am interested and I want to do this awesome renovation loan, what steps do I need to take as a buyer to start preparing? Is there any kind of credit things I need to take care of? Any kind of savings I need to have ready to go? What do I need to have to get pre-approved?
The guidelines typically mirror the regular guidelines on an FHA, a VA, a conventional, and a jumbo. There are a little bit differences in that the credit score requirements are different. On a regular FHA loan, if you've got a low credit score and you get an approved ineligible, the underwriter can manually underwrite that loan and say, yeah, I think it's a good loan for whatever reasons. On our renovation loans, we cannot do a manual underwrite on them. That doesn't mean to say there aren't other lenders out there that can't, but we don't do manual underwrites. And right now, because of COVID, our current credit score requirement is a 660.
Okay, gotcha. What is it normally, or what was it pre-COVID?
I could do a 620 previously.
Okay. So something that might be subject to change in the future, depending on the cooties.
Right. We're hoping they'll loosen up those credit requirements.
Right. Okay. So
wash your hands, everybody, so I can get my VA renovation loan back.
Yeah, wear gloves, masks, everything.
Yes, absolutely.
Everything.
Walk around in a balloon.
Yes, everyone just get a bubble suit. They'll be fine. Okay, so I'm interested. I've got everything ready to go. What do I need to do to actually get the pre-approval letter?
The same thing you would do if you were applying for a regular loan.
Okay.
You call me, we take your loan application, we pull your credit. You know, if you found a house that you're interested in, we kind of put in an estimated purchase price, an estimated cost of renovations. I can usually pull it up on the internet and take a look at it and tell you whether or not you're in line or not in line, and just run the numbers. Our pre-qualification letters are a little different than a regular pre-qualification letter. It lets the seller know that you are getting a renovation loan and what you're offering, and then that you've been pre-approved up to X amount of dollars for the renovation. So it's, you know, it's just a little bit different. It just is more, it's more information.
More information.
But it's a simple process.
Yeah, and we'll actually hop into that next too on the second video we do, where we go step by step through the whole process and what that looks like. So I'll go ahead and take the recording down for this one, for the first video. And Cola, where can people find you, contact you, find more information on you?
I am the Vice President of Renovation Lending at Homespire Mortgage. So I do regular loans and, you know, my own renovation loans, but I also oversee the renovation loans that are done through the company, just to make sure, you know, that there aren't any bumps in the road. These loans have a pretty bad reputation out there, most of which is because you've done them with someone that really didn't know what they were doing and, you know, caused some mess up. So I can be reached 24/7 at 757-718-6424.
Awesome. Okay, cool. And then I'll put your contact information. I'll make a little slide. I'm new to video making, so I'll put that at the end too, so everyone has it in writing. But we'll go ahead and hop into the next video.
All right, Taylor, thanks.